Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clear your Facebook cache. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. So basically, whenever you use Facebook, the app cache stores your frequently used information as cache data to reduce loading times and data usage. These cache files are stored in a dedicated location on your phone. If you leave it alone and you don't delete it frequently, it could quickly take up a lot of storage on your phone. And if you have outdated or corrupt cache files, Facebook will slow down significantly. So let me show you how you can fix those problems. So the first option is basically clicking your profile picture on the bottom and then clicking the gear icon on the top right corner. Then you just need to type in browser, open this up, and then here next to your browsing data you need to just click clear. I've just cleared my browsing data, so I cannot do this again, but your browsing data will be cleared. If you tried clearing your browsing data but you still find that Facebook is really slow and unresponsive and it still takes up a lot of storage, then the second thing you can try is deleting Facebook and reinstalling it. This is gonna free up the cache that Facebook has stored so far, and you can have much more storage and a much faster Facebook application. Alright, so all in all, this is how you clear your Facebook cache. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.